So you want to hook your positive up because this kill switch is on the negative side. So hook it up on the leaving side to your switch. Turn it on. Get some blowing out. We got this ATS ME18. This engine bay gets really, really warm. All right. This way I take this plate off because this door hinges. Is that one tight?
Yeah, they got my finger right in your video.
Better know your battles work. We even got us a cooling fan switch that we're going to install. That way we can crank it up. We don't drag the batteries down. Should never have a problem with that, but we're going to put one in anyway because I like to crank it up with them off. Best way to hold you steady. It is mineral.
Looks like it.